I'm Scott, and this is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today, we're going to take a look at a product from our friends at Energizer Connect. This is a 5 gigahertz indoor window camera. So this is designed to actually connect to your window from the inside to look outside so that you don't have to have your security camera outdoors. Really nice if you, say, don't control your environment. You're in an apartment, you can't mount something outside. Maybe outside you have a lot of animals and you have maybe birds that try and land on your camera, things like that. This gives you the ability to put the camera inside, power it from inside, and not have to install it outside. Pretty cool. Obviously, it also means that you don't have to, have access to power or solar or charge it or all the things that are kind of annoying about smart outdoor cameras. This gets around. So let's take a look at what comes in the box here and exactly how this works. Like all Energizer Connect products, it connects through their one smart app, which is fantastic. You can control and deal with your cameras and everything all in one place, whether it be this or the light cameras. All right, so let's get in here. All right, first thing we see is customer support card. It says, thanks for purchasing it. If you have problems, call this phone number, go to this website. If you want to record audio and video, free 30-day trial of the cloud storage, but you can also put a micro SD card straight into it. That way you don't have to worry about cloud storage. So if you're a privacy person, that'll be a good feature. Here we have our quick start guide. The GEM Global quick start guides are always very detailed. It has information on downloading the app, how to pair it, how to use it, how to install it. It's all in our quick start guide. We'll see some of that in action in just a little bit. Here we have our camera. Its own little box here. There we go. So this camera is very similar to, in fact, it might be the same base camera that we've seen before from Energizer. It's got a little round mount here on the bottom. It's got a reset button. It's got a micro SD card. On the back, there is a USB Type-C power. The thing that will make this different from, say, the foldable camera is the mount that will come with it, which I assume will be in this box. All right, there we go. So, in this box, we'll get that in a moment. We've got a number of items. Let's get rid of the overflow. All right, we have a USB-A to a 90-degree USB-C, which is nice. This gives you the ability to mount it, power it like this. Since you're going to mount it on a window, this takes weight off of the port, which is an important thing. Here we have stickies for mounting. Here we have the actual frame for the camera. The camera will, one way or another, go in here. It's a rubberized thing. There we go. So you will snap that into there. Now you've got what looks like a little flower. We will use these adhesive mounts around here to go onto your window, and it will then stick like this, giving you a view of the outside through your lens without having to put the camera outside. That is a super cool feature, and one that we do not see that often. In the old days, we had, like at Radio Shack, we used to have a TV antenna that mounted that way. But I don't know that I've seen many, if any, security cameras like that. The other thing that comes in the box is a wall wart. We are seeing this less and less, especially with security products. So thank you to Energizer for including this in the box. Now, let's see how easy this is to pair. I am going to grab the Energizer app. We're going to start at the top, and we are going to say add. we're going to say add device. It's the plus sign, then we're going to say add device. Here it has the ability to search for nearby devices, or you can go through the manual process. We are going to plug this in and see what happens. I see an orange light here on the back. I am going to go through the manual. Well, there you hear that they have discovered each other. However, what we're going to do instead, in case yours doesn't auto-discover, is we're going to go through the manual process. So we're going to click Camera's Doorbell. It's going to show you how the process is going to work. We're going to skip through the video here real quick. So what we're going to do next is it'll ask you what Wi-Fi you're going to connect to. If you haven't put it in before, you'll have to put that in. Next, it'll give you a QR code in case you're not able to communicate. In this case, we are able to communicate, and so it's already auto adding. If it doesn't communicate, what you'll do is you'll aim your camera at the QR code, and that will initiate the pairing process for Wi-Fi. But for us, it worked no problem. There we have now, you heard the music to let you know that the pairing process is complete. Now we have the ability to give this a name. We're going to call this window camera, and we're going to put it, let's say, in the living room. We will then, once we have that, we'll hit finish at the bottom. You'll see that the information has been updated on the list. We will hit done, and that will bring us into the screen that shows the video live. I may have really made it mad by having it face down for so long. It had to deal with color correction. Now it has done that. So now we have the ability to see the video coming out of it. And it is very close to real time, considering it's going out over the internet. It's coming back in near real time. Really impressive, actually. It'll show you on the screen the signal strength. Obviously, the closer to your router you can get it, the better your signal strength will be. It's showing you your data rate. You can turn on and off the speaker. At the bottom, you have the ability to turn on and off a microphone so you can talk out through it, which is kind of cool. If you need to communicate with somebody and say, hey, get out of here, or hey, are you home? You're not answering your phone. Everything okay? You can have a communication that way as well. You can also get to the recordings from here all in one nice UI. Like I said, I use these cameras, not this particular one, but the Energizer Connect cameras a lot. The interface is the same across all of them, which is something that I really appreciate. So obviously you've seen that we just opened this. I have not used it. I've seen it in action elsewhere, but I have not used it yet. We will be doing a full product review that will be available in the coming weeks at PLUGHITZlive.com/reviews. If you want to check out this and other ones, the review will also, the link will get added to the description on this video once it is published. If you want to see other unboxings and or how-tos, you can go to PLUGHITZlive.com/unboxed or PLUGHITZlive.com/how-to. You can also see all of our other content by going to PLUGHITZlive.com. And until next time, ciao.